Good morning and welcome to Math Lessons, April 29th, 2020. I cannot believe that April is about to be over. I feel like it has just started. The online expectations are the same. Make sure you watch the video carefully and you can watch it as many times as needed and complete all the assignments including Delta Math and Dreambox. For the warm-up, you have been asking what does a cafeteria manager have to think about in order to plan for making food for students every day. Now, the manager could ask themselves some statistical questions like how many students do we serve each day, how many pancakes will each student eat in order to figure out how what kind of food they have to buy each week or how many cooks they will need to hire. These are what we call statistical questions because many pieces of data are needed to answer each question. Today is the start of a new chapter and I'm really excited about this chapter 13. You're going to be introduced to statistics, and statistics is just a big part of our everyday life. People have to rely on statistical data in order to make decisions, such as where would they build a new subway station, or even how much should they charge for a certain product. So once you understand the basic of statistics, you can utilize it in so many ways in your life. Today, we're just going to recall our prior knowledge, and the main thing is just to interpret the data in a line plot. Let's look at this table. Michael surveyed a group of children in a music class to find out their ages, and this table shows the results of his survey. So as you can see, the table has the name of the child and the age. So Alan is 12, Brooklyn is 11, Eric is 10, and so on and so forth. Now, Michael made a line plot to show the result of his survey. Each X represents one student. You learned this in 4th grade and probably 5th grade as well. So as you can see, there's one child that is 10 years old, and that's Eric. And then there are 3 child that are 11-year-old, 3 children, Brooklyn, Parker, and Vanessa. There are 5 children that are 12, and there's 1 children that's 13. So from this information, we can observe many things, right? One thing is there are 3 students who are 11. The most common age is 12. I can also say that there are the same amount of children that are 10 and 13. Or I can say that there are 6 children that are older than 11. So you can say many things based on the line plot. So let's look at your task. For today, the lesson is going to be really short and sweet. You're just going to look at this data line plot. So this line plot shows the weight in pounds of cartons of apples in a store. Each X represents 1 carton of apple. So the weight ranges from 38 pounds to 45, and you can see there are 5 cartons of apple that weighs 38 pounds and 1 that weighs 45 pounds and everything else in between. You're going to answer the 10 questions that's coming up after. So just make sure you come back and look at the data chart before you start answering each question. And also don't forget to complete any Delta Math lesson from last week that are missing. Complete 1 lesson on Dreambox. All of these are going to be factored into your grade. So this is a pretty simple task, but if you have any questions, comment, or concern, reach out to me, email, text me, or join me for Google Meet, and I'll see you tomorrow. And we are going to start this fun journey together. Bye!